Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you're in for a treat with the Chase Sapphire Lounge. These luxurious airport lounges offer a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of travel, complete with comfy seating, complimentary food and drinks, and even spa services in some locations. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to access one, step by step. First things first, you need to know if you're eligible. The Chase Sapphire Reserve card grants you unlimited access, while other cards like the Sapphire Preferred might have limitations, such as a certain number of visits per year. Always check your card's benefits on the Chase website to confirm. Now, let's get to the good part, gaining entry. Step 1. Download the Chase app on your smartphone. This is your gateway to everything lounge related. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Travel or Lounge Access section. Here, you'll find a digital lounge key or a QR code that serves as your ticket in. Don't have the app? No worries. You can use your physical Chase Sapphire Reserve card at the lounge entrance. Step 2. Arrive at the airport early. Lounges can get busy, especially during peak hours, so plan to get there at least 2 to 3 hours before your flight. Look for the Chase Sapphire Lounge signage in the terminal. They're often near gates or in dedicated areas. Step 3. Present your access method. Show your digital key via the app or scan your physical card at the entrance. A lounge attendant will verify your eligibility quickly, and you're in. While inside, take advantage of the amenities. Enjoy gourmet snacks, free Wi-Fi, showers, and sometimes even cocktails. One tip. If you're traveling with guests, remember that the Sapphire Reserve allows up to 2 guests for free, but additional ones might cost extra, so plan ahead. Finally, always respect the lounge rules to keep the experience enjoyable for everyone. There you have it. Accessing the Chase Sapphire Lounge is straightforward and oh so rewarding. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments if you've visited one before. Safe travels.